So, hi guys, today I am going to be talking about the Lords Mobile and Saint Saya collab. So, as you can see, this is the Glided Sanctuary from where we've got this Glided Sanctuary. I have already taken it to level 3 because it has passed been many days. Now, these were the time limited stages from which we could get the Glided Sanctuary. We could get this equipment as the Sagittus helmet. It is a good one for gathering. Then we also got in total 10 Pegasus medals. 10 Pegasus medals, that is the new hero we were already given on the first day of logging into the event. Then we got these monster hunting legs, as well as this equipment. Now, as you can see that many new things were introduced. So I have this equipment. There was this special avatar that is there. The event avatar, these heroes avatars were introduced. So many new things have been introduced here. There's a separate page for seeing the hero avatar points boost. Now this is the new hero. I have just got him, and I'll give him some XP that is there. So it will be great because I do feel that he will be very useful when we give him the XP and when we carry him further. So my max level is 59, and yeah, so now I am going to take him upwards. Yes, so there are nice animations which are there here. So now he goes. Yes, this is also free. So here he goes. I'll let him get promoted for the next 1 hour. Yeah, so here my trickster is. I just made my Prima to goal. I've kept trickster as well as another hero in line for Guildfest events. So right now, as you can see, let's see the hell event which is going on. So there's a building hell event which is going on. So here we can get 6 saint chests, and they are nice because 230k is a good figure to achieve. And there's a solo event also of building which is going on. So if you do solo and held together hand in hand, you get 2 more chests. So now this is the Saint Saya things which are there. So we got the daily login event, we cleared the Pegasus time limited challenges. I've got these also. So the Saint shop, I have already bought this one emoji because I like it. The others I'm also going to buy. I've got this armor, I've got the bow as well as the wings, and I feel that these time travel reduction of 75% is also a very good thing in 10. And the cloth is great because it looks very good. So I guess one of my neighbors do have the cloth. and yes, it does look good. So they are only 1 and 50. There's only around 1 minute left. So this was the promotion of the hero. Yeah. Now, as I just killed a queen bee, a level 1 queen bee, so I got one saint chest. And when I had killed a level 2 queen bee, I did get one. Usually, I get more when killing level 2s, but this time I was lucky enough to get a saint chest even by killing a level 1. So, now speaking about the time limited challenges, so these challenges were pretty easy. The sixth stage, I felt it a little difficult, because I couldn't complete it on auto. Rest all I have completed on auto. But as it is 60 days, it is very easy because you have a lot of time. So this is the sanctuary. This is the glided sanctuary. This is the saint shop. These are the Pegasus medals. The Pegasus medals are also good because we already got 10. So I feel that I will be buying at least the 10 to make my Pegasus green at least. Then I would focus on the Sagittus cloth and maybe on the mystic carpets and the 75% um, faster time travel. So that's all for today, and it was a great event because we got so many, and it was for 60 days. 60 days we can at least try to get some of the we can at least try to get the cloth, by actually logging on for 60 days. So thank you guys.